Going on a safari. Christopher Robin and me. Winnie the Pooh. After some honey out of a tree. Christopher Robin and I walked along. Trapping bees. La da 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 da. I don't know. So, we are almost fully suited. We're headed after some bees, honeybees in the woods that we have caught. And we're leaving another box so we can catch some more. And I'm watching the ground, so my video probably is not good. "86-year-old. I'm not telling my age. It's from my blog. Got that thing on there sideways. Probably have to do a couple of different videos. So anyway, this is like the 7th swarm we've got out of the woods. Wild bees. Wild honeybees. I wish I had a machete. For real. Alright. So now it is time to put my hood on. So I will have to turn this off for a minute. We'll be back for part 2.